Welcome back to the boat cheat. Okay, I've had a pretty busy time over the last couple of months, so when I got to my boat the other day, my fenders are filthy. Do you have any tips? How do you clean fenders? Mine just look nasty. Comment below if you've got any eco-friendly ways of cleaning fenders so they don't look so horrible. We're also going to look at shackles and fixed dock lines, which I find really useful. And as always, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to help us grow. Fixed dock lines can be really useful for getting in and out of your mooring with less work and less stowing to do, and also it means your lines are always ready when you come back. You haven't got to stow them when you go away, so it just saves time. However, I really think these shackles that we all use are nasty. Now the thimbles in the loop there, they're not quite so bad, they're not so obvious because they're hidden inside the rope, but the shackles themselves always end up looking tatty, and more importantly they're noisy. As the boat moves around they rattle. And they're just not pleasant. There's a better solution, and it's really easy to do, and that's simply to remove the shackle and in its place put a soft shackle. Now this one I bought pre-made from my local chandlers. It's much stronger than the equivalent size shackle. You don't even have to take the thimble out of the loop, you put the shackle through both. Job done. If you don't have lines ready made up and you want to do this for yourself, you don't even need the thimble. What you can do is splice a loop in the end of your mooring line and then make a shackle up long enough to do a figure of 8 through that loop so that it's permanently and properly secured without any strain on the line. Because these thimbles are already there is no wear on the line, so I'm just using the thimble and letting the Dyneema soft shackle take up the load. Some people are concerned that you can't really trust them. Well, I think you can trust them more. If a metal shackle is going to fail, which, let's be fair, is very unlikely, there's going to be no sign of it from the outside apart from a bit of rust, and that starts pretty much as soon as you put them on. They go a bit discoloured to start with. However, with a soft shackle you can examine it frequently, every time you use them if you want to, and any signs of wear will be immediately apparent on the wear sleeve on the outside, so I actually think they're safer. What do you think? It'd be interesting to hear whether you think these are a good idea, a bad idea, or whether you think fixed dock lines are a bad idea anyway. I personally love them because I'm a lazy sailor. What do you think?